Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to share a natural homemade soap recipe, and for this you will need mung bean or green gram. It is 100% natural and it has so much of benefits to your skin, and you can use this for your face and all over your body. And for this you will need green gram as the main ingredient. Other ingredients you can alter as per your requirement. And green gram is known to exfoliate the skin and help for skin lightening, also helps to improve skin texture. So before getting into this video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button below this video and turn on the notification so that you will be notified of my further videos. Otherwise you will not get notification, so please turn it on so that you will be notified. And now let's get started. I'm starting off by washing the moong dal. I've washed it in water for 2 to 3 hours. Don't soak it, just wash it and then lay it flat on a cotton cloth and let it dry. It will take about 30 minutes to completely dry. Once it is completely dried, put it in a mixer and make a fine powder of it. Make a very fine powder of it. Green gram is rich in vitamin A and vitamin C, and which helps to enhance the skin texture and helps to lighten and brighten the skin complexion. Also in Indian and in Chinese culture, green gram is used in many beauty products, and I've already told that plain green gram can also be used as a soap free face wash. It is an alternative for soap. That's how they use, and they also use it for babies, and it has so much of goodness to your skin. So this is our main ingredient. And after this I'm going to add orange peel powder. Orange peel powder is also rich in vitamin C, also known to brighten and lighten the skin complexion. So I'm using orange peel powder and sandalwood powder. You can use any brand, any good pure sandalwood powder you can use. Just 1 teaspoon of this, and mix this all three together. After mixing it all together, I'm going to use a strainer like this and then sieve it so that there is no large particles and we have only fine powder left. Okay, now our powder is ready. Let's get into the soap making. For this I'm using Pears Soft and Fresh glycerin soap. You can use soap base. There are many natural soap base available in Amazon. I'm not able to get one because in my area, due to this lockdown, there is no delivery, so I was not able to buy it. So I'm using this soap, but you can use any clear soap, or you can also use natural soap base that is available in Amazon, Flipkart. I'll give the link of the product in the description. Go check it out, and just slice it into small pieces so that it is easily dissolved, or you can also grate it, but it's messy to grate, so I'm just going to slice it into small pieces. I'm going to use a double boiling method to melt the soap. You can also microwave the soap. In a pan I've taken half water and make it boil, and then place another pan and add these soap cubes into it and make sure that is melted completely, and keep stirring it occasionally. So once it is melted completely, you can add all the powder ingredients to it. It usually takes 2 to 5 minutes to completely melt, and this is how it looks. Once you take out of the hot water itself, it starts hardening. So make sure that you add the powder when it's still in the hot water itself, and then stir it very well and make sure that it is completely merged with the soap and there is no large particles. To add some other ingredients which are very optional. Now I'm going to add like 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I don't like coconut oil. I'm going to use olive oil. You can also use almond oil or argan or jojoba oil, whatever you have. I'm using 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Make sure that it is still hot, otherwise it will become hard. And then I'm adding 2 to 3 drops 5 to 6 drops, sorry, 5 to 6 drops of orange essential oil because I love the smell of orange. Also I'm adding peppermint essential oil for the freshness, that also 5 to 6 drops. And then also I'm going to add 2 to 3 capsules of vitamin E oil, which is all optional. This is all I'm adding it for my personal preferences and for the fragrance, which is obviously optional. You can use any essential oil, lavender or any essential oil, lemongrass, the smell whatever you like, it is all customizable. And now take a plastic or a silicone cup and add oil into it so that when you're demolding it, it comes easily, and then add the soap base into it. And here I made a mistake that I should have added the oils when the soap wasn't in the hot water itself. So when I took a lot of time to add the oil, so when I was pouring it into the cup, it became hard, and that's why the appearance is not good. But then it turned out to be a good soap. I love using it. I'm using it for a week now, and it's a good soap and I love it. Please try it and let me know how it's working for you. And it's very cheap to make, and it is handmade, and also you can customize it as per your requirement. And I just cut it into small pieces so that it's easy for me to use. Anyways, I'm going to use this only for my face. And that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. Please try this soap and let me know how it's worked for you. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that my next video you will be notified. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye guys.